Guys, si Muhing nagluto ng si John nag-fried siya ng chicken alamak, then Lynn refried the chicken alamak to become a crispy.
Yeah.
I'm right.
Yeah.
And Joe, what is you doing, Joe? You're doing
The remove of the condensed
In a can.
in the can.
okay. English meron guys kay nagba-vlog me kay para makakwarta me.
You speak English.
Hello guys, me speak English. Miss, you make it fast naman. I'm so hungry na.
Yeah.
And then Joe cook spaghetti.
Yes, in a few.
Yeah.
The chicken is
No.
make
And then Gina is waiting because she's hungry na. Ay, hungry di ay. Hungry, not angry, hungry. And
what are you eating?
Angeli eating the condensada. Oh my God, Angeli, it's so sweet. Yay! Why did you eat that?
Gina is jealous.
Oh, Gina jealous? Oh, you give 1 teaspoon to Gina. Dali! 1 teaspoon. Kinsa buwang? Buwang ka, Gina. No, I'm not crazy. I'm speak English na nga eh.
Oh, you eat also.
You eat also condensada. You have a diabetic. Don't eat that. That Angel ate condensada. Yay! Angel! So sweet! My God!
Tolos.
Sperm cell.
Dili, ingon ko ayang ano ba iniisip niya lain.
Dirty minded.
Who is dirty-minded? Me? Me? No!
Joseph.
It's not dirty-minded, Miss Nuhing.
Dirty mind.
I said, why she eat condensada? It's so sweet.
But as Angel, yeah. Oh.
Kasi she eat condensada, so sweet.
Why yak? Condensada is yak?
No, it's not yak.
yummy.
Yay! Angel, super sweet. Ayan, refry na si Miss Lynn.
Yes. Almost done.
Dali kay gutom na. Guys, ako ro nag-vlog guys kay may tupak ko.
Why?
May tupak kong mag-vlog. Are you angry, Moheng?
No.
Okay, good.
Be hungry.
Good. Angel, tama na yan, Jill. So sweet. Oh my God, inubos niya yung kondensada, oh. Gina also ate kondensada. Siyempre, Lynn man nagutos. Mag-English guno ko. My gosh. Akong bitok ng gimok na.
Okay, done guys. Let's eat. Oh.
Miss Lynn refry chicken. Unsa kay na, Miss?
Alamak.
Alamak.
Guys, look guys. Let's eat now.
With the spaghetti.
Oh my God. Let's eat. Dirty mind. Dirty
No, it's not dirty-minded.
Me also, I'm a dirty minded. But
Because
I'm open because I saw Angel
she can
the
eat.
kid is
She
doing
can
this.
eat.
Now,
Reminded na po sinang rin.
katulo-tulo.
Hindi mo good dirty-minded. Good, nagsabi lang kuya kasi sobrang tamis. Kaya niyang kainin. But it's not dirty-minded.
Oh my God.
Because it's condensada. Uy, kaapog kanon, Miss. Talo man po, Miss Imuha.
No, spaghetti.
It's hot, Jo. Hot.
Yeah.
Gapahe, Inday Gila, yan. Baging na ako ni Angina, excuse me.
First.
Kaya po, tinador dahil.
Wala, grabe naman. Agay,